Hello everyone, welcome back to Celiano's Bath and Body Indulgence. Today we are cutting animal. Oh no, and it's still kind of soft. But that's just an end piece. But here it is. Make sure you guys can see. There we go. Still playing around with these camera angles. Still trying to get it right. We're working on it. Pray for me. Alright. Now, got the paper towel handy, guys. Finally. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this cut. But yeah, we're trying out the new angle. Got the camera on the other side of the table. It should be good now, as long as I can see. Make sure. Hang on, guys. Nope, it's not gonna work. Want to make sure that I'm putting the soap up to the camera so you guys can see it properly. Alright. Now, this swirl, again, had really no plan in mind, just trying something different. End pieces, we won't look at it. Let's see how it turned out, guys. Alright, so I've been thinking about putting these videos, even the cutting videos, to music, because most of the time I'm just rambling. Okay. And here's that. Let's flip it. It's not bad. Like I said, I was just, just going for something. I'm gonna start really planning the swirls and see what we come up with that way. But this one's turning out pretty cool. Hang on. Let me do some moving around here, guys. I got my market stuff sitting right here, so I can't really move around like I want to. Okay, that's better. Now I can get around. But yeah, I'm gonna start, I think, really planning these soap loaves, the swirls and everything. I plan out the colors, of course, but for the most part, I just start doing whatever when it comes to swirls. Now, there are some times when I am intentional with my swirls, but lately it's just been doing it. Okay. These are turning out pretty good. The scent is really nice. I think it's earthy. And I'm not sure, it may, maybe some females may like it, for personal use, but I really think it's still a masculine scent. But, that is personal preference, because there are some masculine scents that I do use personally. But yeah, I've been thinking about doing the cutting videos with music, unless I really just have something I want to talk about, or I need to talk about, updates or something like that. But most of the time, well, no, not most of the time. Sorry, lost my train of thought. But I've been thinking about that, because most of the time, well, yeah, it was most of the time. Most of the time, I am just rambling, kind of like what I'm doing now. So that's why I was thinking about, doing the music. But I guess, I don't know, you might get tired of hearing music all the time, unless you don't mind my voice. I happen to think I sound really weird recorded, but It doesn't bother some people. Now, I could get on here and maybe just start talking about, the things that are happening with me, with us, or, with you spiritually. You can talk about the Bible. I could do that all day long. Or maybe I'll just start talking, just start doing that. Because, I do Bible study daily, prayer daily, numerous times a day. Work on scripture memorization. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. And, there's only so much that we could talk about with gardening right now. Even though, I enjoy that, I can talk about that all day as well. But when there's nothing going on, really no updates, there's no need to keep talking about it, really. Let's see. But yeah, my making videos are done to music because those times I'm either listening to praise and worship, I'm listening to the Bible, and then other times I want to make sure that I make myself available for my husband or my children. So I put music over that because honestly I'm not talking when I'm making soap unless it's to one of them. And ooh, what was that? I think something hit the greenhouse. What was I saying? Yeah, but I want to make sure that I'm available for them or anything, something else while I'm making soap. Well, yeah, you don't want to hear, because sometimes, I'm at a certain point making soap and I can't stop, so I have to yell, and, no one wants to hear that. So, that's how that goes. But things around here are pretty busy. Everything's coming together. The Christmas market starts, I can't remember the exact date right now. How they come back to you guys with that, but that starts in November. I think it's like 7 or 8 weekends. Like Friday, Saturday, and then the next week, Friday, Saturday, so on and so forth. So very excited about that. We had so much fun with it last year. Made some friends, some business contacts, so it was very good. So we're doing that again this year, and I've just about got all of the supplies. Well, at least, my oils and my butters and things like that. I've got all those together to make, the holiday soaps. And I still have to order, some containers and things like that for packaging. Okay. But like I said, everything's going for that. Those videos, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do those. I will, put them up and post them so that way you guys can see, And the holiday soaps will be, the holiday things will be available on the website once they're ready. It's just, I think what I'm going to do this year is just make a limited amount, so once it's gone, it's gone. As far as like the holiday soaps are concerned, because I don't like going into the new year with holiday stuff, holiday scents. Because even sometimes, even if you drop the price and put it on sale, it still sits around for a little bit, and I like to get all the inventory moved out. Make sure you guys, it's not like you can't use it later on, but I like to make sure that things are just really fresh and up to date for you guys. And that's the last one end piece. That's one of the pieces that I keep for testing. Oh, and while I have you guys, let me give you just a little peek at the next soap that we will be cutting. Not today though. It is just a little preview into what we're starting next year. It's going to be a seasonal thing. Let's see if I can get around without knocking the camera too much. These I wanted to have ready for the summer, but of course summer is almost over now. But here we go. This is ice cream sundae. This will be available at the end of the month. Let me say the 28th. Those will be available for purchase. And once those are gone, those are gone. They'll be back next year. Like I said, I wanted to have them ready for summer, but other things took precedence. And that soap is just late coming out. But it's okay. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. So be on the lookout for that cutting video coming out. There's no making video on that because I was making that soap in between making 3 others. So there's no recording on that one. I guess next year I'll have the recordings on these. We'll start doing more of those. Let me think about what I was gonna say so I don't start rambling again. Okay, well, that is it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Appreciate your support. Like and share this video on social media, family, friends, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. Check out the website, www.handmadestores.com/Soulianos, and that's SOULIANOS. Yeah, just very grateful for everybody. Just very grateful and appreciative. Thank y'all so much. Have a great day and God bless.